Hi guys, it's me again. I'm really bored and I'm kind of on a video uploading trip right now. So what I'm going to do is I was watching one of my friend's videos and she did a what's in my refrigerator video. So I'm thinking about doing that for you guys. So without further ado, here's what's in my fridge. There's my lovely fridge right there. So what we have here are some eggs right there, and we have some margarine, and now we got some Parmesan cheese. I hate that stuff, it's so gross. Then barbecue sauce, another thing I hate. We got mustard, some really yummy salad spritzer stuff, it's raspberry bliss. And then we got some red hot sauce. We got ourselves some pickles, some more salad dressing, Tuscan House Italian, then some Catalina dressing. And then we have some sweet and sour sauce. My door does not want to stay open, so I'm tackling with it. Got some teriyaki, some soy sauce, got ketchup, got some more Catalina dressing, and this is Tim's Cox sauce that he uses to make his chicken with. Got some more pickles, yeah. Got some mineral water, love that stuff. Now over here, got my bagels, got some Corona beer, which I don't drink much anymore. Got some habanero chili sauce. I'll drop it. I got some more barbecue sauce. Got some applesauce, some salsa. Oh yeah, and we got some cream and cheese to go with my bagels, some butter, ranch, Miracle Whip, got some milk, got some creamy Swiss cheese, got some smoked Gouda, I love that stuff. We got some cheese, excuse me, bologna, hot dogs, got some guacamole, some fruit. Got my strawberry jelly, some apple cider vinegar, some Bud Light, blah, I can't stand that stuff. Got some fudge over here on the border. Got some au jus sauce, excuse me. And we got some sour cream, some spaghetti sauce down here, and some hamburger meat. Then here we got some ears of corn, some onions, lettuce, more onions, and a big, humongous bell pepper. I have never seen a bell pepper that size before. It's so freaking huge. But Tim knows the produce guy at work, and he gives him the hookup. So there we are. And that should conclude my little refrigerator tour thing. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good night. Bye.